Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Osko transfers are not working in the Westpac app, first confirm that the Westpac app is enabled in your account. Then check that the recipient bank support Osko and the payment and the PayID or account details are correct. Then head over to your app store, search for the Westpac app, and make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes issues like the app's transfer not working happens because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Now, if the transfer is pending or fail, wait for a few seconds or a short time before trying again, as Osko services can occasionally experience delays. If the issue continues, contact the Westpac to verify your Osko setup. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.